Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to design an awesome poster. Posters are a fun way to share ideas using pictures and words. Whether it's for school or just for fun, we'll go step by step so you can create your own amazing poster. Let's get started. The first step is to pick a topic for your poster. You can choose anything you like: animals, your hobbies, or something you're learning in school. Pick a topic that interests you and that you want to show to others. Once you have your topic, it's time to move to the next step. Now let's gather the materials. You'll need a poster board or a large piece of paper, some markers, pencils, scissors, and glue. If you want, you can print out pictures from the internet, or you can draw your own. Make sure you have everything ready before you start working on your poster. Next, it's time to plan how your poster will look. Think about where you want to put your title, pictures, and words. You can draw a small sketch on a piece of paper to organize everything before you start. This helps you know exactly what to do when you begin your poster. Now let's add the title. The title tells people what your poster is about, so make it big and clear. Use colorful markers to make your title stand out. For example, if your poster is about emotions, you can write "My favorite emotion" at the top. Make sure it's easy to read from far away. Next, it's time to add pictures or drawings to your poster. These pictures should match your topic. You can either draw your pictures or cut out images from magazines or the internet. For example, if your poster is about emotions, you can add pictures of emojis or people expressing feelings. Make sure your pictures are placed nicely and are easy to see. Now add some important information about your topic. Keep it simple. You can write short sentences or keywords next to your pictures. For example, if you're talking about your favorite animal, write why you like it or some interesting facts. Don't write too much, just the main points so people can understand your poster easily. Finally, it's time to add the final touches. You can decorate your poster with extra colors, patterns, or fun designs to make it look more interesting. Make sure everything is neat and clear, and double-check that your pictures and words are easy to read. And you're done. Congratulations, you've made your very own poster. Now you can share it with your friends, family, or classmates. Posters are a great way to show what you know and get creative. Thanks for watching, and happy poster making.